I like to zoom in a bit more for these ones,
Can I have
Mandy.
a kiss?
Yeah.
Mwah.
Wow.
Aww.
Oh.
You're so cute.
Yeah, I am. Oh, what a week.
Oh, it's been a
So
glamorous
what did we do?
week.
Oh, we did a Bosch. Let's do it. Bish.
Bosh.
Bosch.
Oh,
You're supposed to do
shoot.
Bosch with me.
Let's try again.
Let's do it again. Bish.
Bosh. Bosh. Woo.
Yeah, we did the kettle, vegan cheese and onion, cheese and
Is
red
it supposed
onion.
to be cheese or cheese?
No, it's cheese, because you can't say cheese because
What does
the milk
cheese
industry
mean?
wets itself and takes us to court.
What does cheese mean?
It's like vegan for cheese. For cheese.
Okay.
It's except without
Makes
all
sense,
the cow
I
raping,
guess.
screaming baby cows and stuff.
And red onion.
Yeah. And then we did the Asda coconut, creamy and rich coconut. Can't call it milk because they wet their pants and scream at us
That
and take
looks
us to
like
court again.
man juice.
It is. It does look a bit like man juice.
It does look like
Or
man
lady
juice.
discharge. It's probably not a good thing to talk about
No.
on a food video.
Oh,
sorry.
and then sweet chili chips.
Yeah,
Crisps.
the snack
Crisps,
right
not
pea
chips.
snacks. They were nice, weren't they?
Yeah.
Actually, everything was nice this week.
And 2 chickens.
Oh yeah, the squeaky bean cone.
Non-chickens.
Yeah, not chick.
Chickens.
Yeah, links to all these will be down in the video pants, by the way. All the videos this
Have we
week.
missed anything?
Yeah, the most incredible thing. Hang on,
Yeah.
no, hang on. Those fake chicken products from Squeaky Bean, guys, they are amazing. We found them in Sainsbury's. They got to try them, Mandy.
Yeah, they've got to try
Like
them.
the barbecue flavour and the chicken tikka. I can think of loads of ways to use them.
I've got a cramp in my thumb.
Have you? You mean in your jaw?
Yeah, that's what I meant. And
The
we
Vio
had
Life
cream cheese.
cream cheese.
Non-cheese.
Oh my goodness, we had this on some vegan crackers.
Oh my
Oh,
jaw.
it's so good.
Oh my jaw.
Vegasm's gonna be doing a stuffed pasta shell recipe with this cream
Can
cheese.
I come round?
Yeah, you can come round, yeah.
And Andy,
Yeah.
vegan product.
You got a vegan product, let's
Was
see
you
it.
okay there? What was that?
I had a globus sensation. I went,
Yeah, it's a vegan product.
yeah, stop copying my sniffing.
Oh my god, we did it at the same time.
We did synchronised sniffing. It's jalapeno peppers,
I love jalapeno peppers.
but it's not a vegan product, it's just a
It is
jalapeno
a
pepper.
vegan product. It's jalapenos, which are vegan.
Yeah, jalapeno's vegan because it's a plant.
Andy, shut up and
What?
try one.
No,
You need to try one.
no,
Why?
because they're in the jar. And it would be difficult to open the jar. Okay, so it's not dead now, it's difficult to get them out though. So yeah, it was a really good week this week. Thank you everybody who subscribed. We got loads more subscribers now. We love you. Betty Broad.
Okay, you're right. It's really difficult to
Betty
get them out.
Broad, I know, I was thinking that. So Betty,
Who's Betty?
don't forget Betty, a wonderful person on Facebook that shared our videos and said
yeah.
kind words about us. We love you, Betty.
Yeah, hi Betty.
Thank you.
God damn it, I was going to get you to try jalapeno.
Yeah, not happening. And it's not a vegan product, Mandy. It's just a chopped up,
It's jalapeno.
like,
Yeah.
piece of fruit.
Vegan.
Is jalapeno a fruit? I think it might actually be
It's
a
a
fruit.
pepper.
A pepper. It might be a vegetable.
So it's vegetable, I think.
Okay, guys, so yeah, we got another great week next week. We got some festive products coming next week, and we've got another really interesting flavour from Original Source that they've got like a really amazing watermelon
The festive
shower gel
cheese
stuff.
though.
Oh, and we got festive cheeses. We got some more coconut milk and more puffs, veggie puffs
Yeah.
from Aldi. So come back next week and see other stuff. Are you doing your circus tricks?
Yeah.
Oh. Bye everyone.
Bye everyone. Wee. Wee.
Oh look, we'd be like those Canadian people that have to try and wobble each other off. Oh,
No.
fell off.
Ah, the glass.
We nearly broke them. Bye everyone.
Bye.